hey, does your skin look like this or even this? And you've tried everything possible to get that flawless skin. You've watched tons of Korean skincare videos, you've listened to all skincare routine advice, and yet no results. And you're wondering how your favorite celebrities achieve their great skin.
Look at Cardi, she looks so weird without no makeup. This is me with no makeup. See all the, the little blemishes on my face.
Well, I have good news for you. There is one magic skincare product you've not used, and this magic product is retinoids. Guess you've heard that before. Okay, you've heard that before. Yes, I know you've heard that before. Maybe you've heard retinols, retinoic acid, ADAPALENE, retinol. Okay, you're confused. Don't worry, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about retinols in this video. Just keep watching. Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea, a medical student and aspiring dermatologist, and this is Andrea What's Good. So in today's video, we'll be talking about retinoids. Every skincare blogger, YouTube skincare videos are talking about retinoids. So what are retinoids? Retinoid is an umbrella term given to a series of compounds that are either derived from vitamin A or are chemically related to it. So under this umbrella term, retinoids, we have the retinols, which is the alcohol version. We have the retinols, which is the aldehyde version, and we have the retinoic acid, which is the acid. Retinols are commonly found over the counter because they are slightly weaker. So most beauty products contain these retinols. High retinoic acid, on the other hand, are mostly prescription only in most countries because they are stronger. The retinol you see today is an all-trans isomer of retinoic acid. ADAPALENE, on the other hand, is a third generation retinoic acid. ADAPALENE is more stable than retinol in terms of photodegradation. Now let's talk about the benefits of retinol and how it works. This is one active ingredient that is anti-wrinkle, prevents acne, face dark spots, rejuvenates the skin, and treats skin cancer. Like, wow, that's an all-round product. Well, as an anti-skin cancer product, retinoids encourage differentiation of cells and cell death of early skin cancer cells. So in prevention of acne, we know that production of excess sebum can lead to either whitehead or blackheads and even acne breakouts. So retinoid here reduces sebum production, thereby fight acne. The next one is hyperpigmentation, and you know that hyperpigmentation can be caused by a lot of things such as inflammations, melesma, etc. In hyperpigmentation, there is collection of melanin granules, which are the pigments in our skin, in which when they cluster together, they cause dark patches. So what retinoids do is they actually cause the dispersion of these pigment packets. Over time, the patches fade away. Retinoids also encourage cell differentiation and turnover, which means you get an overall exfoliating effect continuously when you use topical retinoid without having to use physical scrubs that will cause more harm than good. So for the anti-wrinkle, when retinoids bind to specific type retinoid receptors in the nucleus, they promote the formation of more collagen and elastic fibers in our skin. Collagen and elastic fibers are what make our skin look plump and thin. And on the flip side, loss of collagen and elastic fibers with age is what leads to our skin sagging and resultant wrinkles. Now the side effects of retinoids. Now, despite being an amazing active ingredient, it has its own downsides. The most common downsides of topical retinoids are dryness, irritation, which can lead to redness and peeling. Now the peeling effect you get is because retinoids encourage skin turnover, and the dryness you get is because of the ability of retinoids to reduce sebum production. And I'm going to tell you how to use these topical retinoid products to minimize these kind of side effects. But before that, make sure not to use it close to your eyes and folds between your nose and cheeks, because these areas are more sensitive. Also, do not use it if you're pregnant because it affects fetal development. Note, you're not going to notice any improvement within 1 to 2 weeks. Like, you have to use it up to a month or two before you can notice any improvement. So you just need to be patient and persistent because the result is really worth waiting for. Now, how to use this retinoid. Perfection of the skin is a marathon, not a sprint. It has to be low, slow, and steady. So if you try to make it quick, you end up with negative side effects. So for starters, use it every other night. That is, you can use it this night and skip 2 nights. So the size to be used should be that of a pea size for your entire face. Because if you use a large amount, you're going to experience massive peeling and redness. So you can mix it with any moisturizer of your choice, like CeraVe moisturizers. Before applying it on your face, just take a pea size of the retinoids, put it on your palm, then you add your moisturizer, mix it very well, then apply it on your face. This helps to reduce its side effects, which is the dryness and irritation. It only reduces the side effects but not the potency. And while you're applying it, make sure you avoid the areas around your eyes, and make sure to incorporate this retinoids into your night skincare routine. It is not for daytime, because retinoids get inactivated by sunlight and you won't get the beneficial results. Now let's talk about products to avoid with retinoids. Avoid using products like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide at the same time with retinoids, because some retinoid products are being inactivated by certain acidic products like salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. So if you want to use your salicylic acid or your benzoyl peroxide, you can incorporate them in your morning skincare routine, then use the retinoids at night. Again, use your cleanser first before the retinoids so you don't wash off the retinoids. Another thing is always moisturize your skin throughout the day because of the drying effect of retinoids. So when you get used to applying retinoids every other night, you can increase it to every night. That means you can use it every night, from using it every other night to using it every single night for at least 4 weeks before you can see the beneficial effects. If you're using it for acne treatment, use for at least 2 months. And after 2 months, if you don't notice an improvement in your acne, you can meet your dermatologist. Your dermatologist will know whether to increase the strength of your retinoid product. So for starters, you can start with over-the-counter retinoids, which is the retinols, because they are weaker, while the retinoic acids are stronger. But this all depends on the prescription by your dermatologist.
How to apply retinol like a pro. Taking a lot of amount and applying it on the face is an absolute no-no. This is going to just irritate your skin. Taking a lot of retinol and slamming it on your face, never a good idea. Few areas get more and others get none. Best is to apply Vaseline jelly in the corners of the nose first, eyes and mouth to protect these areas. Then take a pea-sized amount, which is enough. Then you make multiple dots on your whole face. This way you know that you're evenly distributing the cream. If there's an area which gets more amount, you can just make that into smaller dots. And then go ahead and spread this cream evenly over your whole face, making sure that all the areas are covered. Do not massage it, you'll only irritate. Over this, you can then apply a layer of moisturizer.
Okay, retinoid products I can recommend. Disclaimer, these recommendations does not replace the dermatologist's prescriptions. So the products include CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. This one is for starters.
Use CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum ideally in your evening skincare routine. Step 1. Wash your face with a non-exfoliating acid cleanser. After washing the face, take a clean towel and pat the skin dry. Step 2. Dispense about 1 pump of serum onto your fingertips. Rub your fingers together and then apply it all over your face. Avoiding eyelids, corners of the eyes and nose, and avoid your lips. And leave it on the skin, do not wash it off. And do not use this retinol with the following products. Also, there's no need to use sunscreen in the evening, but don't forget it during daytime.
Another one is Defferin Gel. It contains 0.1% ADAPALENE, which is a 3rd generation retinoid. That means it has less irritation, redness, and peeling effects, and is easily accessible. Next one is Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair. It is mild and gentle. The last one is Olay Regenerist Retinol. So you can also ask your dermatologist for recommendation. One more thing, guys, please join my channel membership and get premium content. Loyalty badges next to your name in the comment section and live chats. You also get custom emojis to use in comments and live chats. You also get members only community posts and live videos. And that's not all. You also get exclusive members only video, early access to my new videos, member shoutouts, and priority reply to your comments. Now, how to join? Go to the description box in this video and click on the membership link to join. Or go to the comment section, click on the link in the pinned comment. It will take you to your browser. Then when you get there, select any of the plans, either the bronze, silver, gold, or platinum. Then you click the join button. For example, let's choose the silver plan and click on the join button. It will take you to where you'll be required to input your card details. Then click on buy. You can also support this channel by using the thanks button. Then you select the amount you want to give to me. Thank you. So guys, hope this video was helpful and you are going to incorporate these retinoids into your skincare routine. So thanks for sticking around up to this moment. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Also let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I just want to let y'all know that I feel comfortable in my skin, that I'm great, that I'm happy. I'm going to stay on top. With this face, with this natural face, makeup or not, a bitch doing good.